Welcome to the Enchanted Princess Runway Fashion Show. Did you know that on Princess Cruises they have a fashion show? And you'll find it called the Shops of Princess Runway Show. It'll be some of your fellow cruisers and a few of the crew possibly, and they'll be wearing clothes from the princess shops that you can go and purchase at a discount price. Today our first model up is Carol from Virginia. This fashion runway show came complete with an MC and that thumping, driving music that you would expect to hear at a fashion show. And the crowd shows their appreciation for Carol. Next up is Jacinta from Canada. Each person in this runway show was able to pick the outfit they wanted to wear from the Shops of Princess. Even the handbags like the one she's carrying comes from the Shops of Princess. They're all available for purchase, so run on up there and get you one if you see one you like. Thank you, Jacinta. You may recognize our next model coming up. That's right, it's Robin from Sea Lake Journeys. Now Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is an experienced model, as she used to do these things at bike events. Look at there, she's a natural. If you are interested in being a model at one of these shows on a princess cruise, be sure when you get on board the first or second day to go up to the Shops of Princess and say, hey, I'm interested in being a model for the runway show. They'll let you know then when to come up and pick out what you would like to wear. They will also tell you what day and time the show will be. Next up is Felicia from Florida. Felicia had a lot of energy in front of the camera and even added a few of her own poses. This runway show took part on day 6, which was a port day in Costa Maya. It was at 4 o'clock in the afternoon here in the Piazza. Next up is another celebrity in the YouTube world. That's right, coming to us from the Fearless Rambler, it's Terry. And speaking of Fearless Rambler, look who's out there with the camera. That's right, I can't wait to see his footage on his channel. Now this fashion show isn't just for the ladies. That's right, we haven't forgot. We've got Raphael coming in from Brazil. Raphael is one of the crew here on the Enchanted Princess, and he agreed to represent the men here in the fashion show today. Good job, Raphael. Also representing the crew today from New Zealand is JP. Great job, JP. Now you got to get back to work though. Sorry. Anyway, next up is Patricia from Florida. After this show was over, I asked Robin from Sea Lake Journeys who picked out their outfits for them. And that's when I found out each person got to pick out their own outfit. And I was just amazed at how everybody did such a great job picking out something that looked very good on them. Well, it's time for our last model now. It's Jennifer from Florida with the leopard print. So is this something you would do on your next princess cruise? Let me know in the chat if you've done it before or if you would like to do it. I'm curious to see. Hey, maybe next time you'll see me up there along with Robin from Sea Lake Journeys. And now it's time to bring all of our models back out together for one big long runway walk. And wow, it was great. The crowd responded with a lot of applause and a lot of cheers. Okay, everybody, let's give a big round of applause to Carol, Jacinta, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys, Felicia, Terry from Fearless Rambler, Raphael, and JP and Patricia and Jennifer. So the show's over and we want to get a group picture of all of our models. Getting our models back together to pose for a group picture was like trying to herd cats. Yes, that is a great looking group of models right there. So good, in fact, that the ship photographer decided to get a selfie with them. I don't know why I didn't do that. I wasn't alone in filming this event. Check it out. The paparazzi showed up for this. You know, when you're all dressed up, you might as well go ahead and take some more photos. And that's just what we did. But it ended up being another situation of herding cats. We've got plenty of extra photographs for everybody that wanted them. And I gotta tell you, everybody that was involved in this had a great time. And we think you'll have a great time doing it too. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.